So how 100 children to do? You know this year the Queen Quet one more again for this year Gullah Geechee TV. Now you know wherever the grind 100 children to grind too. Now plenty of time 100 children see this your face when we did on the Tammy show. Well, this year truly the Tammy show. This year weekend, it is such a blessing for this year to the first woman and gal summit right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. We to make her story. So Tammy McCotry-Brown, you are definitely the visionary. This is powerful, and we are so pleased that you decided to have it right jump. Right at home, right at home. So now we know some of the ladies, they far away, but they getting to watch us on Facebook and other stuff this weekend. So, but next year, we coming to the ATL.
That's right. Next year we'll be in Atlanta, Queen, and I want to thank you first and foremost for being the honorary chair and one of our honorary chairs, and just lending your support and your encouragement to me as a female. Her story, you are to be commended for all that you are doing for the Gullah Geechee Nation.
Thank you, man.
And yeah, we're going to Atlanta next year.
Yes.
So we want folks to come out and enjoy themselves this year, and then next year get ready because it's going to be even bigger and better next year.
Absolutely, absolutely. And plenty of y'all that watch the show, you are in ATL. You email us, you say when y'all coming our way. You know now. You got 1 year to plan. If you can drive this weekend, join us here in the Chieftess, right across the bridge over in Patriot Point. We right here in South Kakalaki. This is a powerhouse event, the first National Women and Girls Summit. Peace, y'all.